everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Canadian Tire Mastercard online. So to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open a preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device. And then, in this URL box at the top, type in www.ctfs.com and press enter. Soon after you end up in the official site, click on the sign in button appearing at the top right hand corner. This will now take you to the login area. Go ahead and type in your username and your password associated with your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on enroll now on the right hand side and follow through the prompts in the sign-in page. If you already have an account, go to the sign-in area on the left and type in your username in the first text box. If you don't remember your username, click on Forgot Username and follow through the prompts in order to look for your username. Now, once you are done with it, head over to the next field and type in your correct password. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Password. After filling in both of your credentials correct, click the Sign In button at the bottom in order to log in and access Canadian Tire Mastercard online. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.